What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video I shall be unboxing the DJI Mavic Mini Fly edition. I shall also be reviewing this drone and comparing it to the Mavic 2 Pro and other drones in the coming weeks. So if you are yet to do so, then subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when that goes live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So before we take a look at what comes with this drone, let's take a look at the pricing. So here in the United Kingdom, the drone on its own will set you back around £370, whereas for the Fly More bundle that I will be unboxing today starts off at around £460. Also, if you are in the United States, you'd be looking at around $400 or $500 respectively. Also, a similar pricing structure is in place throughout Europe, so if you are anywhere in Europe, expect the drone on its own to cost around €400, whereas the Fly More edition will set you back around €500. But enough about that, let's crack the box open and see what you get for that additional $100. So cracking open the box and taking a look within, we can clearly see what resembles a carry case, as it has a handle on it, and there is also an additional box. Now taking those two items out, we can see that there are some further items at the bottom of the box. Taking a closer look at one of these smaller boxes, we first get our USB-A power adapter, which can draw enough power from the wall to charge up the batteries and a controller altogether. Within the next box, you have everything from a setup guide, user manual and warranty information. There is no legislative paperwork in this, as the drone is of course under 249 grams, but be sure to keep this safe just in case you ever need to refer back to it. The next box, you can probably guess what is inside of it, especially taking a look at the icon in the corner. But of course, within this box you have your free included batteries. Now these batteries should be good to give the drone around a 30-minute flight time. This battery has a capacity of 2,400 mAh and it's also got a weight of around 100 grams. Indeed, that is almost 50%, half of the weight of the entire drone when put together. It's quite impressive. The next box we shall take a look at is actually one of the first boxes we took out in the beginning, and within this you will find the bumper propeller guards, which give a complete 360 degree of protection. And finally we have the travel case. Now opening up the travel case, we get our first look at not only the drone but a few other accessories. Now the first of these is your two-way charging hub, which not only will be used to charge up to 3 batteries even on the go, it will also be used to charge up the controller. Unsurprisingly, the next item included is the controller. This controller can reliably deliver high definition video footage from distances of up to 2.5 miles or around 4 kilometers. It also follows the same design trend of other DJI controllers with its removable control sticks. There are a final 2 smaller boxes which each have some smaller items within. The first of these has another set of 5 spare propellers and their respective screws. Yes, screws, as with the Mavic Mini you do not get the quick release props found in other DJI drones. And because of this, DJI include a small screwdriver to help disconnect them. You also get an additional pair of control sticks for your controller should you misplace or damage the ones that came with the controller. There are 2 USB-A to micro USB cables for charging the batteries and the controller. They have an approximate length of around 1 meter. There are also some modular cables that can be swapped out to allow different smartphones to be connected. These include USB-C, micro USB and lightning. And that's everything that comes with the DJI Mavic Mini Fly edition. I mean, of course you get the drone, but you didn't come here just to watch the drone, did you? So that has been it for this video. If you would like to see this Mavic Mini get compared and reviewed against its larger brothers, the Mavic Air, along with the Mavic 2 Pro, and be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload those videos. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media, links to which can all be found down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.